Not a bill. Nabil.
Nabil.
Yeah, he said he's going to school now.
No.
Yeah, and his mommy was asking where the bear is.
There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading and follow, lead us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading and follow, lead us till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me? I dream that if I can hold you close, you can be my antidote. Let me run away with you tonight. Let us leave the world behind. Give in, keep yourself thinking. Tonight, let go as you're dreaming. I was feeling down low, you just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh baby, how you this feeling? I feel everything is spinning.
It was smelling like that because you ironed it. Oh.
I didn't iron it.
Trip with you. Leading and follow, lead us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading and follow, lead us till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me?
The weather today is unbearable. Do you know we have 35 degrees? This minute I'm talking 35 degrees Celsius. And guess what? Everywhere is unbearable. Whether we stay home or we come to the playground, it doesn't matter. So We stayed at home the whole day. I put water in their pool. They were swimming in their little pool at the balcony. And my children, when they don't go to the playground, it's like they feel sick. So as usual, we have to come to the playground. So I waited until it's like 5ish, when the heat is gone a bit, so I can bring them out. And at least here at school, you can see like there's a lot of shade. There are trees everywhere, alhamdulillah. So we're here. Oof, I think she will fall on this girl, my baby, my daughter. Sorry. Let's see what she's doing. She's always climbing in everywhere, mashallah. I don't know if it's the influence of having a brother, an older brother, and he's like he's not like fully her role model. I think it has to do with that. I have to drink water. The thing is, when she does this, she always smiles and looks at you, because she knows she's not supposed to do that, but she's doing it anyway. So she's waiting for a reaction. If I start walking, she will go down quickly. Wait, you see. These kids, when they see Baba, it's like staying with me the whole day was the worst experience ever. If they see Baba, they're so happy. But alhamdulillah, I'm happy for them.
So just remove it.
The sun is shining. It is hitting. Where? No. This summer, this year, it's like we're back in Gambia. This is how Gambia was. It's how Gambia was, this heat. Yeah.